Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change Steam account name, and now let's dive right in. Now to change Steam account name, first open up your Steam app on your computer on like this and make sure you're logged into your account. Over here you can see I'm logged into my account. Now in order to change the Steam account name, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see your account name over here with the drop down arrow. Click on your account name over here with the drop down arrow and this kind of menu will appear, and again click on view my profile, and when you land on this interface click on the edit profile option available for us over here where my mouse is hovering, and you land on this interface. Now in order to change your Steam account name, guys, you can say your profile name available for us over here. Now you'll be required to make your edits over here, whatever you want to do to your profile name, whichever you want to take it like this, and add some numbers maybe, and after that scroll down at the bottom of the screen and click on the save button over here, and then your account name will be changed on Steam. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to change your account name on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.